add another question underneath the one that I just reviewed, but I'm going to use it, or to add it, sorry, using talking, sorry. Now I have some attachments here. Where did they go? Or they're not gonna come up. Oh, sorry, I accidentally X'd out instead of, okay. Okay, so this kind of gives you some directions of how to use like a voice over or voice typing with your phone in Google Docs. You do want to make sure that your microphone is on. So like with my Chromebook, my microphone is on, and then I'm going to use voice typing. And I'm going to demonstrate that here with you guys. Let me get out of that. I need to go back to the document. Okay, and then I have my little note page. And remember how to, okay, so this one is under tools. Sorry, I did a review before class started because I couldn't find something this morning because it was not where, okay, so did you guys see what I just did? I went to tools, not toys, tools, and I turned on voice typing. And then it comes up here. And then I'm going to go back to my document, and I'm going to pick a question from another question from page 688. And then I'm going to turn this on, and then I'm going to type in the question using my voice. Question. Why did you select teaching young children as a career? Select teaching young children as a career? Question mark. Answer. Okay, so I have to hit enter to go to the next line. I can't say enter. It would not pick that up. So I had to turn off the microphone from the voice typing. Okay, so now what would my answer be? What? I selected teaching young children because I enjoy all subject areas and connecting them with unique themes. Period. For example, when teaching phases of the moon, with first graders, I can connect science and math by adding geometry shape terms to the phases of the moon terminology. Period. Then, for English, language arts, we can keep a moon calendar, phases of the moon calendar, for a month. And students will learn the dates and or days of each phase, each moon phase. Period. Okay, so now this doesn't fix everything grammarly, as you can see, but like this right now, so I have to kind of go back and fix a couple of things, but I really think that this is a neat way to help you get some things done. And then this other thing that I want to show you, a couple other things, you have to actually open up a separate tab, which I was not doing this morning. I had forgot this step. And you have to go to the Chrome web store. Okay. And then in the Chrome web store, you can look for things such as, I just added read and write for Google Chrome, which I'm going to show you that in a minute. But you can also add things to help you with research papers. So like in your CDA portfolio, for my class, and any research papers like the educational theorist and the special needs projects, you can add things like the Easy Bib as an extension. So I would click on it. And then it helps you create that works cited bibliography for your research. And then you'll also need to do this when you're citing things in your CDA portfolio. So you can add that to your Chrome. Okay, and then it tells you up here, it has been added. So you can see it as the little book. Okay, and then this is one, the read and write is one that you can add, and it'll say that mine has already been added to my extension. Your extension is this puzzle piece. Okay, so now we're going to go back and we're going to try to use it. So again, in the upper right, you'll see that puzzle piece, and then you'll see the extensions here, read and write. So it's also right there. So I'm going to go here and have it read. Okay.
Question: why did you select teaching young children as a career? Answer: I selected teaching young children because I enjoy all subject areas and connecting them with unique themes. For example, when teaching phases of the moon with first graders, I can connect science and math by adding geometry shape terms to the phases of the moon terminology. Then for English language arts, we can keep the moon calendar phases of the moon calendar for a month, and students will learn the dates and or days of each phase, each moon phase.
Okay, so as I read that to myself, then I can be like, wait a second, like I repeated some words there, so that will help me with editing, right? So I think this is kind of neat, these add-ons. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to change, like, for example, should actually be capitalized. It didn't automatically do that. So, when teaching phases of the moon with first graders, I can connect science and math by adding geometry shape terms to the phases of the moon terminology. Okay, that statement's okay. But then down here, this should be then. And I'm also, you can kind of see the underlined things in color. That also tells me that I need to grammatically take a look at that. So then for English language arts, we can keep a moon calendar. And I said that twice. Let's see. For a month. So we can keep a moon calendar, moon phases calendar. That's how it should go. I couldn't talk as fast enough as, okay, so we can keep a moon phases calendar for a month. And students will learn the dates and or days of each phase. Let's see, of each moon phase. And that is typically, because I know that, just to explain, typically it's like 3 to 4 days per phase. Okay, so, and just FYI, the next full moon is October 31st. So this can help you guys, like, kind of self-edit. I think, this could be good for any of your college papers and or when you go to college, just figuring out all of these different little extensions and things and the tools that can help you. So let me stop my recording. Where is my